Welcome back to KnowHow. In today's Microsoft Excel tutorial, we are going to learn two ways to use Format Painter. If you have ever found yourself struggling to keep your formatting consistent across your spreadsheet, this video is for you. Stick around as we break down the ins and outs of using Format Painter in Excel.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
The Format Painter offers a quick way to copy all the formatting from one cell to another. This can help keep things consistent without spending a lot of time replacing the formatting in each cell. There are two ways to use the Format Painter. The first method is to use the single clicking it to copy the formatting from the selected cell, then clicking a different cell to paste the formatting. The second method is to use the double clicking. This method is used when we want to copy the formatting to several non-adjacent cells. So how we can do all this? Let's learn all this in few simple steps. As you can see in our example, we have the date of birth, and the date of birth is written in various ways. So first we have to locate the cell with the formatting that we want to copy. For example, if we want to apply this first method of writing date to all of the other cells, then we just need to select this cell. After selecting it, we need to move our mouse pointer to the Home tab and locate the Format Painter command. It is represented by a paintbrush icon. Click the Format Painter command once. This will activate the Format Painter tool. Now we just need to click and drag our mouse pointer over the cell that we want to apply formatting to. So you can see that we have simply formatted all the cells with a consistent formatting. Alternatively, for example, if we want to apply this light green color to some other cells also, we can use this tool. For this purpose, first I have to click and select this cell and then go to the Format Painter tool under the Home tab. Here this time I will double click it. And then I will click the cells where I want to apply this formatting. So you can see that I can easily apply the formatting to the non-adjacent cell using this method. Once you have applied the formatting to all the desired cell, click the Format Painter command again to turn it off. I hope this tool will be very helpful to you because many people find this particular tool in Excel to be helpful when it comes to making their formatting look neat and professional. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial on using the Format Painter in Excel helpful and that you are now equipped to breeze through your spreadsheet formatting tasks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Feel free to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.